There comes a moment when you finally understand something most people spend their whole life running from. No one is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your family, not your dreams, not your potential. You are alone on this battlefield, and the only soldier who can carry you out of the fire is you. Most people don't lose because they're weak. They lose because they keep waiting. Waiting for motivation, waiting for the perfect time, waiting for a miracle that never comes. But listen carefully, your life doesn't change when things get easier. Your life changes when you get stronger, and strength doesn't come from comfort. It comes from doing the things you avoid. The small disciplines, the daily battles, the silent wars that nobody sees. Because here's the truth most people never accept. If you can't conquer the small things, you will never conquer the big things. Waking up on time, finishing what you start. Keeping your word to yourself, showing up when you don't feel like it. These are not small tasks. These are the foundations of greatness. Every champion you admire, every legend you respect, every successful human you dream of becoming, they all mastered one rule: discipline before success. Order before greatness, action before confidence. Confidence doesn't appear out of nowhere. It is forged in repetition, it is earned through battle. It is built by doing hard things, especially when your mind screams stop. Music intensifies. Drums, heartbeat rhythm. Let me tell you something powerful. Your future self is watching you right now. Not from tomorrow, not from next year, but from the life you could have lived. And they are begging you, don't quit, don't give up. Don't repeat the same cycle. Push, fight, move now. Because the longer you wait, the heavier your dreams become. The more time you waste, the deeper your regrets grow. And the more excuses you make, the further your real life slips away. So today, not tomorrow, not one day. Today you make a choice: stay where you are, or rise into who you were meant to become. You don't need permission. You don't need motivation. You don't need someone cheering for you. You need one thing: a decision, one step. One action you stick to. Win the first battle. Then win the next, then win the next. That's how warriors are made. That's how leaders are born. That's how greatness begins. So get up, wipe your face, straighten your back, and step into the fire. Because excuses end here, fear ends here, weakness ends here. This is your fight, your journey, your rise. Shadow Motive, where the world stops listening to excuses and starts witnessing your greatness.